In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Developer Edition org or account on the Salesforce platform. Whether you're a developer diving into Salesforce for the first time or someone seeking to expand their skills within this ecosystem, setting up a Developer Edition org is a foundational step. So let's jump right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce Developer Portal. You can easily access this by heading to the developer.salesforce.com website. This portal is your gateway to everything Salesforce has to offer for developers, including free resources, guides, and of course, the ability to set up a Developer Edition org. Once you're on the developer portal, look for the option that says Get Developer Edition and click on it. This will direct you to a sign-up form. This edition is beneficial because it provides you with a free, fully featured Salesforce environment that you can use for development and testing purposes, ideal for honing your skills or experimenting with new features. When you reach the sign-up page, you'll need to start filling in your personal details, starting with your first name. Enter your first name in the designated field, ensuring that everything is spelled correctly, as this information will be linked to your account. Next, proceed to type in your last name. Remember, these entries help personalize your account, and it's crucial for all subsequent communication from Salesforce. Moving on, type in your job title in the provided space. This step might seem minor, but it's useful for Salesforce to tailor its communications and support resources to better fit your role. Keep going by entering a valid email address. It's important to use an address that you have immediate access to, as you'll need to verify it and receive essential communications from Salesforce. After your email, enter the name of your company. If you're not affiliated with a company, you could enter self-employed or independent developer. This again helps personalize the Salesforce experience tailored to your needs. Next, select your country or region from the drop-down menu. This information ensures that you receive resources and support relevant to your locale. Before proceeding, you'll need to check the Main Service Agreement box. By doing so, you're acknowledging and agreeing to Salesforce's terms of service, which is a crucial step to use their platform legally and responsibly. Following this, you'll encounter the Recaptcha checkbox. Checking this box confirms that you are not a bot. It's a simple yet crucial step in protecting websites from spam and abuse. Finally, click on the Sign Me Up button. This action completes your sign-up process and initiates the creation of your Developer Edition org. Be sure to check your email inbox shortly after for a confirmation email from Salesforce. Follow any additional instructions in that email to verify your account, which is mandatory to begin using your new Salesforce environment. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the world of Salesforce with your own Developer Edition org. Enjoy exploring and creating, and keep learning.